Hi friends, how are you? In this video, I want to show you how to install and host any PHP script, any PHP application online in less than 10 minutes. So if you bought a PHP script, if you are a PHP developer, this video is for you. In this video, I will take an example, an application called Xerochat Facebook Marketing Application, which I bought from Codecanyon, and I will show you how to host it online in a step-by-step guide. Stay tuned and follow up with me. Okay friends, as I told you, the first thing we need is a VPS server, and we are going to use DigitalOcean for this. Don't forget to use the link in the description, my coupon register, to get a free $50 to $100 so you can test everything for free on DigitalOcean. So just create an account, I will not waste your time with this, and then sign into DigitalOcean. Here I am in my dashboard, and simply click on this create green button here and click on Droplet. Simply Droplet is a VPS server. Click Droplets. And now just focus with me. In this page here, go to Marketplace and then choose LAMP server. You can see this LAMP server. When you choose this, the server will be ready to set up a PHP website. We will have MySQL installed, we will have Apache installed, we will have everything configured and ready to install our application. So things will be very simple, as you will see in a little bit. Select LAMP and then go down and select the size of your machine. I will select now $10 machine, anything you want, and then go down, select your region. I will select New York 3 and then go down, and then you need to enter a host name. Simply the host name is the subdomain you are going to use, or the domain you are going to use for this machine. In my case, I have a domain in GoDaddy. So I will log in to GoDaddy and go to my domains. So please, if you don't have a domain, you need to buy one. I already have a lot of domains here. I will select this domain xmain.me and open the DNS zone so I can configure later. Anyway, now I will select xmain.me like this, copy and paste in the host name here. Very simple. Go down and click create droplet. Till now, everything is so simple. Just create a droplet, wait a little bit for DigitalOcean to create this server for you, and now it will send you the credentials to your email. So I will go and open my Gmail accounts and wait for the credentials. Here we are, this is our IP address, my public IP, and this my server is ready to host my PHP script. Very simple. Let's go now again to my Gmail account and let's wait for DigitalOcean to send me the message. Okay friends, here is an email from DigitalOcean. Let's open it, and you can see here is my IP address, and this is the root password of my server, the default root password. Let's copy this email, and now let's go and open an application called Putty. I will leave a link in the description to download this simple tool. It's an application, allows you to connect remotely to your server and configure it. I will open Putty now and enter the IP address here and click on open. Click on yes, very simple. And now let's say root, and let's get my default password. I will copy it, just Ctrl C to copy, and then go here and right click on your mouse. The password will be pasted automatically, but it will not be shown. Click enter, and now it will ask you to reset the password. It will tell you enter the current password, so just paste it again, right click, enter, and now enter a new password for your server. I will enter a password, again retype the password. Very nice, so now our server is ready. The second thing you will need to do is to upload the application files. So get an application called WinSCP. It's also free. You will find everything in the description below, so don't worry about anything. Just open WinSCP now, again, and we need to connect to our server. So I will get the IP again here, paste in the host name, enter root, and enter the new password you selected and click login. So now we can upload files to our server easily. Simply go up in the directory and then go to the var folder here, open it, then www, and here we are in the HTML directory. Open it, we will have a sample HTML page, just delete this, we don't need it. And now just drag and drop the zip file you got for the PHP script and upload to your server. Very simple. Now just wait for the upload to finish and then we can continue installing our application. Okay, very nice. So the file now is in our server. Now we need to extract this file. Simply go back to Putty and now we need to install a small tool to unzip this file. Say sudo apt install unzip. Click enter. Just wait a little bit. As I told you, don't worry about any command, anything. Everything is described in the link in the description below. Just open it and you will see a step-by-step. All the comments you can copy and paste and I will make things super simple for you. Now let's wait for the unzip tool to be installed. Okay friends, now simply I will change the directory to the var www html folder. Simply say cd change directory, say var www html. Very nice. Now say ls list the files and you can see this is xerochat.zip file which is located on our server. We need to unzip this file. Simply say unzip xerochat.zip. Very simple. Click enter. Let's wait a little bit so the zip file is extracted. Very simple. If we go now back here to WinSCP and refresh, you will see that the Xerochat folder is extracted. Let's open it. And here is the application files. Simply, I will drag this folder up to the upper directory so we can access directly from the HTML folder, and I will rename this to anything old, and this will be the main HTML folder. Very simple. Now I will go and open Google Chrome and I will go and paste my IP address and open this link, and awesome. You can see now we are in the Xerochat installation page. Very, very nice. Now you can see in the server requirements we need to install some PHP modules. This is very nice because this will give you an idea on how to install any model, any PHP model on your server. Usually almost all applications need specific models. So let's go and install a model to see how things work so you can install it whenever you face this problem anytime. Simply open Putty again and let's go here and run this simple command. Sudo apt install php dash the model name. In our case we have curl for the first command, for the first model. Click enter. Say y for yes. Let's wait a little bit. You can see how things is really super easy. Okay, very simple. Now the second model, which is the MB string, just remove this and say MB string, enter. The same way, say y for yes, and let's wait. And awesome. Now simply we need to restart the Apache web server. Very nice. Now let's go and refresh this page. You can see now curl MB string is enabled in our server. You can see how things is super simple. As you can see also, this application requires a database almost like any PHP web application. So let's see also how to create a database, a MySQL database, and connect with our application. So let's continue. So again, let's open PuttySH client. Let's clear everything and run this command to log in to MySQL database. MySQL-u root-p to enter using root password. Now enter your password, very simple. And now we are inside MySQL. Now to create a database, simply run this command. Create database and enter your database name. In my case, it's Xero. You can use whatever you want. Enter. And we have a database. Now we need to create a user for this database. Simply enter this command. As I told you, all commands are attached in the description in the link below. Run this command, enter your password, click enter. Now we have a user. We need to give it full privilege on this database. So run this command to give full privilege. Very simple. Click enter again. And now just flush privileges. And here we are. We have a database with a user with full privilege. Let's go back and continue our work. Enter database name as Xero. Database username also Xero. Enter the password that you used when we create the MySQL database. Very simple, just pick Xero. And awesome, you can see our application is installed. This is how you can install any application, any PHP web application on your web server. I hope everything was simple and clear. Now before I end this lecture, I have a last tip for you. Some applications like Xerochat require something called cronjobs, which are scheduled jobs that run in the background and you need to configure on your server. Cronjobs simply are simple command lines that you need to copy and paste somewhere in your server. Let's go and see where we can paste these cronjobs. Just as a small tip to understand how things work and to apply in any application you face. Let's go to our PC again. Simply open WinSCP again and go back, and here go to folder called etc. Here we are, etc, open it, and just go down, and you'll find something called cron tab. You can see this file here, just right click, edit, and here we are, just copy and paste the commands here. If you are using Xerochat, just copy the cronjobs from your browser. Whatever application you are using, the developer will give you some cron commands. You just paste here and save this file, and that's it. Your cronjobs will be configured. I think the idea is so simple. The last step you have to do is to point your domain to your IP address so you can access your website using your domain instead of this weird number. Just copy this IP address, minimize this, open your domain hosting provider. In my case, it's GoDaddy. Just go to your DNS management zone for your domain and edit your main A record. Just paste this IP here, this IP only, and click on save. Now just wait a couple of minutes for the migration to complete, and then you can access your website using the custom domain name, your domain name. Let's test this. I will remove this IP address from here and I will say xmailing.me, enter, and awesome. You can see now I'm accessing my website using my domain name. Okay friends, so that's it. We learned how to create and configure a VPS server on DigitalOcean. Don't forget the coupon. And we learned how to upload the files using WinSCP, how to install, how to create a database, how to install some PHP modules. So now you have the full idea to install any PHP application you face on any server with these simple steps. By the way, also a lot of people do this as a service on Fiverr as a freelancer job. So you can learn this service and provide it to other people and earn money with. So I hope everything was simple. Please, if you have any questions, any problems you face, I will be here anytime to help you.